In the heart of Cameroon, a disaster unfolded that would leave the world stunned. On August 21, 1986, a toxic gas cloud swept through the villages surrounding Lake Nyos, killing over 1,700 people and injuring thousands more. The question on everyone's mind was, what triggered this catastrophic event? As we delve into the mystery of Lake Nyos, we find that it's a mirror-like egg shape, meaning its water layers don't mix. This unique characteristic creates a perfect storm for disaster. The deep waters of Lake Nyos are rich in dissolved carbon dioxide, originating from volcanic activity. But what happens when this CO2 is suddenly released? The answer lies in a rare natural phenomenon known as a Limnic eruption. It's a sudden release of dissolved gases, including CO2 from the deep waters of lake. Imagine a gigantic bottle of soda being shaken and then opened. The effect is similar, but on a much larger scale. On that fateful day in 1986, a landslide or an earthquake might have triggered the eruption, releasing the deadly gas cloud. The effects were immediate and devastating. The gas cloud, being heavier than air, hugged the ground and spread rapidly, suffocating people and animals alike. The nearby villages were caught off guard, with no warning signs or time to escape. It was as if a silent killer had descended upon them, leaving behind a trail of death. But what about the survivors? How did they cope with the aftermath of such a disaster? As we explore the stories of those who lived through the Lake Nyos disaster, we find tales of resilience and courage. Many survivors suffered from respiratory problems and other health issues due to the toxic gas exposure. The local ecosystem was also severely impacted, with the gas cloud affecting the surrounding vegetation and wildlife. But there's more to the story. The scientific community was baffled by the scale of the disaster, and it raised important questions about the potential risks of other lakes around the world. One such lake is Lake Nyos, also located in Cameroon. In 1984, 2 years before the Lake Nyos disaster, a similar limbic eruption occurred at Lake Nyos, killing 37 people. The common thread between these two events is the unique geology of the region, which creates the perfect conditions for such disasters. But what can be done to prevent or mitigate these events in the future? Scientists have been studying the Lake Nyos disaster to better understand the mechanisms behind limbic eruptions. By monitoring the water chemistry and gas levels in similar lakes, they hope to predict and prevent future disasters. It's a challenging task, but one that could save countless lives. The story of Lake Nyos serves as a reminder of the awe-inspiring power of nature and the importance of scientific research in understanding our planet. As we conclude the story of the Lake Nyos disaster, we are left with a sense of wonder and respect for the natural world. If you've been fascinated by this tale of a natural disaster and the science behind it, consider subscribing to our channel, Stunning Revelations, for more intriguing stories and insights into the world around us. By subscribing, you'll not only get access to our latest content, but also support our mission to uncover and share the most stunning revelations from the realms of science, history, and the unexplained. So, join us on this journey of discovery and stay curious about the world we live in.